Yo, Pantherslap here, having a really great time opening packs for you guys on the channel, and for myself, I hope you guys are enjoying. Baiting with 2 Kaldheim bundles in the background, not actually opening those. I may open one in the future as it's got a little ding, might hold the other one. But we have actually got the classic 2-set booster, 1 collector booster, triple pack opening, Pantherslap games. Let's go. All right, starting off. Getting into this set booster, difficulty, mangling it as always. All right, so for our art card, we have a God of the Voyage, looks like. No gold stamp, still nice. Oh, we've got a holographic snow-covered mountain. Very nice to start it off. Smashing Success. Craven Hulk. Demon Bolt. Undersea Invader. Squash. Got an uncommon Surtland Frostfire. We've got an Agar the Freezing Flame uncommon. We've got a rare Saga, the Blood Sky Massacre. Oh, we got Showcase Valky, God of Lies. No. Oh, I'm so stoked. Tybalt, Cosmic Imposter. Wow. Really stoked on that. It's one of the ones I wanted. The art on that's so spooky with the hood. Oh my gosh. Huge hit there, guys. Another uncommon here. Oh, another holo. Okay. Shimmer Drift Veil. Strange pack. And then just a replicating ring. Whoa. That was huge. Jeez. Kaldheim Set booster. Wow, I got a big smile on my face here. Woo! Funeral Longboat. Hilarious. Sweet. Just the dead guy in there. Lol. Guy looks like he's chilling though. Highland Forest. Bind the Monster. Annul. Brine Barrow Intruder. Missivlit Jara. Cool art on that actually. Strategic Planning. Uncommon Arnie Slays the Trollgated Chopper. Another Slumber Mound uncommon. We've got a Battle for Bretgard, a Saga, rare. Oh, we got another rare. Ooh, Showcase Art, God of the Worthy. I don't think I have this. Flying and Vigilance. Wow, very nice. What's on the back? Protector's Shield. Very cool. Another God. Wow. Oh, I didn't even see the demon under there. I don't know his name. He's, I think, the demon cleric from this set, though. Really cool. Spirit of Aldegard. And we have another holo, Struggle for Skemvar. And, wow, those set boosters were jam-packed. Jeez. On to the collector booster. I don't even know what to expect at this point. Oh, this is a, just a regular chair here. All right. Behold the Multiverse. Wow, really nice looking holo on that. Snakeskin Veil. Wither Crown. Craven Hulk. Missivlit Jar, the holo version. That's really nice looking. Wow. Beautiful job on the holos here. Hailstorm Valkyrie, uncommon. Look at these things. Beautiful. Bindings of the Old Gods. Sorry, Binding of the Old Gods. Little Saga. Got a foil swamp. Snow covered. Wow, a Sage of the Beyond. So, I don't know, I hit one of these in the last collector booster as well. I'm not sure if it's a lottery card or what, but very cool. I don't actually know. Wow, Faceless Haven extended art. Beautiful. The pulls. Wow, I can't even contain myself. Unreal looking showcase art there. So nice. No! No! We've got a Kaya the Inerexible Mythic Holo. No way. It looks so weird though. Like it's half of it is faded. It's like a misprint. This, like, I don't know if like you guys will see my other videos, but I had another Mythic Holo that looked like this. It's so weird. What a pull though. Look at her. She's like, she's not even like, dude, this thing is so misprinted. She doesn't even like look right. It's really hard to tell on the camera, but like she's like really pixelated and oh my gosh. What is going on here, Kaldheim? Wow. What a wild couple of packs here. I don't even know what's going on. Agar the Freezing Flame. No, wow. Varigoth, the Blood Sky Sire. Showcase art. Look at this thing. Jeez. And then we got the Fiarja, Judge of the Valor Showcase Holo. I've wanted the showcase on this card for a while. Look at how spooky that is. Absolutely beautiful in the holo. Oh my gosh, this pack. Cosmo Charger though. Okay, the heat had to end with the pooiest of the poo at the end. Holo extended horse. Wow. What a way to end off the video. What a video. We got the token holographic. Jeez. Thanks for tuning in, guys. More packs and craziness in the future.